Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be the last video in the bathroom makeover series. So if you haven't checked out any of the previous videos, go ahead and check those out now. I will link them below. So for today's video, I'm going to be putting the finishing touches on the bathroom. That is all things decor and fun and my favorite part. So let's get started. So starting with the bathroom countertop, I found this tray at Target. It was on clearance, luckily, for $8.98, which I thought was a good deal. I like all of the texture, the little stripe of white on the bottom. I thought was a nice little feature. So I like to keep things as simple and minimal as I can, especially in a small space like a bathroom. So I'm just going to put a nice plant here. This is a little faux fern in a cement pot. I think I picked up from TJ Maxx. It actually was a hanging plant, so I cut off the hanging part and just kind of threw that down around the bottom. And then this little bar of soap is from the Grove Collaborative set, and I try and swap out the soap seasonally if possible. And this little rope basket is from Target, and I like to use it for extra toilet paper. We don't always have it sitting out, but it is nice when guests come over. So quickly, I'm going to take you on a little DIY I did with the mirror. This was the mirror that I had in my garage, and it just wasn't the right color. I really wanted something black, but I didn't want to spend the money, so I just used what I had. I taped off the mirror part, and I put a garbage bag inside, went outside and sprayed with a matte black spray paint all around the frame. I did one coat and then let it dry, and then went over with a second coat, and it dries really fast. It's super easy. I didn't do any type of top coat or anything. And unveiling the mirror, taking off the tape, is always my favorite part. There was a tiny little bit of spray that got through, which is no problem at all. It comes off really easy with a cleaner. But what a transformation for what, about $3 or $4 for a can of spray paint, which I already had in the garage. So there you go. And hanging this mirror was pretty easy. I just measured out the distance on the back, nailed 2 holes, and hung it up. And now for a little shopping at TJ Maxx. These are the towels I ended up going with. They're Tommy Bahama. They're super soft and they have a really fun print. I really liked these chevron towels, but they didn't have them in the larger size, so I had to pass on them, but they are so cute. And a nice little feature and some ambiance for the bathroom. I always like to stop and look at the candles. I prefer how they look over how they smell, honestly. I love all the different types of looks. And these little bathroom sprays are always nice to add to the bathroom as well, near the toilet or in a little basket somewhere. These are always kind of fun. So since we don't have a lot of towel racks or hardware up yet, I am just going to lay this little hand towel on the side of the sink with the plant and the soap and make it look very nice. And a soap dispenser is always essential in a bathroom. I found this one at TJ Maxx, and it has a very sleek, modern look. I love trying to match everything, you know, with the same style, and I thought this would be perfect. And just for some convenience, I like to fold several towels and put them on a shelf just in case you need them for guests or whatever. But I also like to add them a little bit more for decor. And these super cute little modern shelves I got from Target. I believe they were about $18 to $20 a piece, which isn't bad in my opinion. They hung right over the toilet, which is perfect. I was able to hang these little towels and a plant and a super cute candle. I got that from TJ Maxx. And if you're wondering about the shower curtain, it is also from Target. It is an older style from the Nate Berkus line. I will link that below if I can. And one of my favorite things about this whole bathroom are these hooks. I thought these were so cute. They're from Hobby Lobby. They hold towels or a robe, whatever you want to hang, and it just looks so perfect with this space. And here's the space all complete. It looks so much better than it did before. I really enjoy being in this space now. I like being in this space. There are still a few more things that we want to finish, but for now we're very happy with it. And I hope this series helped you guys out in any way. If I can do it, you can do it. This is so easy. And I hope this series has helped you out in any way. I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more videos because we have more on the way. Subscribe if you haven't. Thanks.